Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create Go High Level Contact from JotForm submission. So let's suppose I am running a home decor company and using JotForm to collect all the inquiries from the potential clients. Now I want that whenever a form submission has been made, it is sent to Go High Level and the contact is created automatically. I can do this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skill. I just need to build connection between JotForm and Go High Level. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is triggers and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take JotForm where the new form submission will be made, and in my action application, I will take Go High Level where the contact will be created automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen.
In this video, we are going to learn how to create Go High Level contact on JotForm submission. For this, we are going to create automation between JotForm and Go High Level with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on create workflow. And now it's asking me for the workflow name. So let's name this as how to create Go High Level contact from JotForm submission. And now I need to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So these are the folders that I have created, and I want to select all automations and click on create. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to create Go High Level contact on JotForm submission, which means whenever a form will be submitted, a contact will be created in Go High Level. Which means whenever a form will be submitted, this complete workflow will get triggered. So our trigger application will be JotForm, and a trigger event will be new response. Now we need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and JotForm, for which a webhook URL is given to us. And this URL will act as a bridge to connect my JotForm with Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to my JotForm account. This is my JotForm account, and these are the forms that have been created. I want to use this form by the name contact form in this workflow. So I'll simply open this and click on edit form. Over here, I have mentioned name, last name, email address, phone number and city, and post your questions here. I want to remove this field, so I'll simply click on remove, delete field. Now this is how my form looks like, and over here I need to click on this option settings, and on the left hand side I can see all the options. Here I need to click on integrations and click on webhook. Here we need to enter webhook, so I'll open this and click on edit integration, and here I need to paste my webhook URL which we were provided in our trigger step. So let's go back to Pabbly, and from over here copy this webhook URL and simply paste it over here. Now click on complete integration, and integration is ready. Now let's go back to Pabbly, and over here we can see waiting for the webhook response. So it's written over here. Now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So as to get the response over here, we now need to do a test submission, for which we need to go to our JotForm and open this contact form, for which we need to click on publish, and we simply need to copy this link and paste it on a new tab. So this is my contact form, and over here let's enter some dummy details. So let's say my first name is admin, and my last name is user. My email address is admin11pablitudes.com, and my phone number is, and my city is Bhopal. So I'll simply click on submit. Over here we have submitted the form successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly and check whether we have received this response or not. Over here we can see we have successfully captured the response. The phone number was this. The email address was admin11@pablitudes.com. The first name was admin, the last name was user, the city was Bhopal. So we have successfully connected Pabbly Connect with JotForm, and now we need to move to our next step, which is action step. So we want to create contact in Go High Level on JotForm submission. So our action application will be lead connector v2. And our action event will be create contact. Now simply click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save. But if you don't have one, click on add new connection and click on connect with lead connector v2. Over here, I have already logged into my Go High Level account, and here I just need to select my sub account, which is Pabbly Connect. And authorization successful. So lead connector v2 and Pabbly Connect are connected, and now we need to enter all these details. So to enter these details, I'm going to use a process called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So I have received response from my JotForm. So over here, I will simply click on JotForm and map the first name as admin and map the last name as user. I will leave this field blank because I have already mapped the first and the last name. Next, I will map the email address as admin11@pablitudes.com and the phone number as this one and the city as Bhopal. I'm leaving these fields blank because these are not required and I do not have these fields in my JotForm. And then simply click on save and send test request. Over here we can see we have received the response. The contact ID is this. The first name was admin, the last name was user, email address was admin11@pablitudes.com, city is Bhopal, and the phone number is this. Now let's open our Go High Level account and check whether we have received this response. So this is the app dashboard of Go High Level, and on the left hand side we have to search for contacts. And we can see we have successfully created this contact by the name admin user. The phone number is this. Email address is admin@pablitudes.com. And we have also recorded the date and the timing of the submission. And we have also recorded the date and the timing of when this contact was created. So as to check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not, let's go back to our JotForm and submit some another dummy details. So let's say this time my name is dummy, my last name is test user, my email address is testuser45@pablitudes.com. My phone number is, and my city is Bhopal. Click on submit. So we have submitted the form. Now let's go to our Go High Level account and check whether we have created this recent contact or not. Over here, just refresh the page. And we can see we have successfully created this new contact also. The name was dummy test user. The email address was testuser45@pablitudes.com and the phone number was this. So to summarize this, we took JotForm in our trigger application where we made connection of Pabbly Connect with JotForm with the help of this URL. We submitted a form and received the response over here, after which we took action application as lead connector v2. Where we made connection of Pabbly Connect and lead connector v2 and entered all these details with the help of mapping. Simply clicked on save and send test request and received the response as new contact in our Go High Level account. So we have successfully created automation between JotForm and lead connector v2 or Go High Level with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.